Hi, Sam Burke, Corporate Chef, Meat and Livestock Australia. I'm here to show you some creative ways of cooking Australian red meat over fire. Why? Because I find it liberating, because it provides theatre, flavour and romance. Today's recipe, Laham Bajine. Laham means meat, Bajine means dough. It's a Middle Eastern traditional breakfast pizza that I'm going to recreate that I enjoy with my 3 girls and my wife every Sunday morning. I'm going to share how to do this beautiful dish with you. It all starts with wonderful Australian lamb mince. That's the #1 ingredient. To accompany, I've got crushed tomato, chili paste, garlic, paprika, and a bit of sumac. It's really a one-pot wonder that we heat up, and then that's our topping for our Laham Bajine pizza. So we've got these dough balls here today, but if you like, you can have a pre-made pizza base or even Lebanese bread. Let's get into it. Let's get the base made for our Laham Bajine. So I've squeezed a bit of lemon in at the end and then added some crushed tomato. And just the heat of cooking that mince is going to cook that tomato and bind it nicely for our base. So I've lined the top of the base with our mince, then I've put some mozzarella. Now I'm going to finish with some stringed Arabic halloumi. And finally, a sprinkle of sumac. So there you have it. Serve it with some rocket, a squeeze of lemon, olive oil. I'll join you next time in my backyard for more red meat adventures.